Welcome to Discussions with a Rhino. If you're looking to avoid costly mistakes in the mobile home park investing world, you've come to the right place. And throughout my journey, my strategic partners and I have encountered a fair share of pitfalls, and we're here to share those hard-earned lessons with you. With experience managing over 2,000 plus pads and handling both in-house and third-party management, we've seen nearly everything this industry can throw at you. Here are 10 misconceptions and realities in MHP investing. Let's clear up some common misconceptions and reveal the truths behind successful mobile home park operations. Misconception number 1 is that MHPs are pure cash generators. Can they be? Absolutely. We've invested in parks that have delivered over 20% cash-on-cash returns. However, many park owners who buy at a 7% cap rate in a small town market experience a brief period of strong cash flow, only to watch their profits slowly fade. Cash flow challenges, aging infrastructure. While due diligence might spot immediate issues with water and sewer lines, long-term problems often emerge in years 2 to 5. And if you're dealing with aging infrastructure like decades-old pipes, you should expect major leaks. Eventually, you might face an enormous water bill that will leave you broke. Water management. Woes. Poor utility management and unrecognized water leaks can severely impact your cash flow. If water billing isn't managed correctly or leaks go unnoticed, you'll be facing inflated bills that eat into your profits. Slow eviction process. In many markets, evicting non-paying tenants takes a couple of months, but it's never as quick as you'd hope. In more tenant-friendly areas, expect even longer delays. A solid process and a good legal team can help, but unmotivated or underpaid teams can let professional tenants stretch this out to absurd lengths. Challenges with park-owned homes. Park-owned homes can work in strong markets with excellent on-site staff and repair crews. Yet, in weaker markets, they become a drain on your time, capital, and sanity. Oversight and rehab costs can skyrocket, especially when unexpected issues arise, such as a tenant turning a $10,000 rehabbed home into a giant litter box. Lack of reliable vendors in small towns. Finding trustworthy vendors can be a nightmare. You might end up with contractors who demand upfront payment, do shoddy work, or disappear altogether. This adds stress and wastes time, especially when vendors don't have the proper equipment or skills. Misconception number 2 is that managing a park from afar is easy. Is it possible? Yes, but only if a lot of things go right. In a strong market, with a reliable manager, decent vendors, and reasonable tenants, remote management can work. However, parks that require little oversight are rare finds. When remote oversight fails, and managers who view the job as an easy gig, or those who are unresponsive, can cause significant issues. A manager with a full-time job or personal issues might neglect their duties, leading to poor park performance. Insufficient compensation. A small park with limited revenue might not be able to attract a high-quality manager, leading to further complications. Overpaying for excellence can sometimes be the best solution. Misconception number 3 is that once set, mobile homes never move. While most homes do stay put in competitive markets, you might see a surprising number of homes leaving your park. Competitive threats like aggressive competitors. Other park owners may entice your tenants with move-out specials, making it worth their while to relocate. If you're in a market with high vacancies, be prepared for this kind of battle. Having a strong capital reserve can help you fight back and retain your tenants. Misconception number 4 is bad managers can be reformed. Some managers, no matter how well-intentioned, simply aren't cut out for the job. Good people can make poor managers, often because they shy away from tough conversations with problem tenants. The hard truth is that if performance doesn't improve after a probation period, it's time to move on and find someone who's motivated and capable of doing the job well. Misconception number 5 is you can significantly raise lot rents without consequences. While it's true that many lot rents are too low, raising them too quickly can cause backlash. Gradual increases, raising lot rents is necessary to keep up with operating costs and prevent redevelopment. However, it's important to space out increases and give tenants time to adjust to avoid creating tension and potential vacancies. Misconception number 5 is you can significantly raise lot rents without consequences. Yes, some lot rents are too low, but raising them too quickly can backfire. You need to space out increases to give tenants time to adjust. Gradual rent increases are key to keeping up with rising costs and avoiding potential vacancies. Sudden jumps, that's a recipe for backlash, and no one wants tension in their park. Misconception number 6 is quickly turning around and infill vacant parks is easy. Trust me, everything in the MHP world takes longer than expected. From back-ordered homes to slow-moving city officials, the process can be painfully slow. Whether you're getting permits signed off or waiting on installers, delays are the norm. Even with a large capital budget, don't expect miracles. Patience and persistence are essential. Misconception number 7 is passing through water. Costs is quick and easy money. Here's the thing. Billing tenants for water that was once included in rent is essentially a rent increase, and it needs to be treated as such. It's better to phase these charges in gradually and manage expectations. Don't expect to recoup 100% of the costs. Between leaks, faulty meters, and potential tampering, you'll likely get around 70%. Be prepared. Misconception number 8 is used park-owned homes are a gold mine selling used homes for a profit. Sounds appealing, right? But this is a risky game. Sure, you might see some short-term gains, but one major repair could wipe out years of profits. It's often better to sell these homes for a small profit or even break even to avoid the ongoing maintenance headaches. Misconception number 9 is you can find great deals on MHP listing websites. In today's market, deals on listing websites are rare. Instead, use these sites to practice analyzing deals and network with brokers. The real deals, they're usually found off-market or through direct outreach. If you're serious about finding hidden gems, you've got to be proactive. Misconception number 10 is that test ads are all you need to gauge market demand. Test ads might show high demand for affordable housing, but don't let that fool you. They can give you false positives in stagnant markets. Focus on areas with clear growth potential instead of relying solely on test ads to make your decisions. In summary, avoid investing in struggling markets, reinvest in your park, and stay focused on long-term growth. It's not always easy, but with the right approach, mobile home park investing can be incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.